Okay guys, today on Chris Does What? We're doing some more oxidation stuff, oxidization, and Danny is sitting here scrubbing it off. When you're working on a really old boat that you bought from somebody else secondhand and they've left out in the sun for a long time, get one of these sponges that has
this has really helped.
You know, that has you know, a sponge on one side, a scratchy on the other side, because it will really work to get that oxidation off. Oxidation off. There we go, I said it right.
See if I can get some of that. It's like soap scum coming off of it. It's like...
So we're still using McGuire's, which 67
1-step compound.
One step.
Look at this. See this crap that's coming off? It's like soap scum. It's nasty. But once you get it off, there's this shine underneath. Yeah, this boat was just not taken care of. That's all it was. But you know, a lot of it hasn't been me just buffing it. It's been me doing this. I'm literally scraping stuff, years and years and years and years stuff off. But it's been worth it. It's just a lot of man hours and muscles.
Yes, my muscly wife.
I'm seriously starting to get some muscles here.
So guys, this is our tip for removing oxidization off, and patience, lots of patience, lots of elbow grease. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there somewhere. It's about like that. And thank you guys.